Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Tap the button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back. Enter lock screen. And also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.